Hello, in this demonstration I am going to show you how to test network connections using the Windows 7 operating system. The best place to test network connections is from a command line interface. So I need to open that. I'm going to click on the Start button and then search for CMD. And when I find CMD, I'm going to hit the Enter key and I get the command line interface black box open. From here, I'm going to type in ipconfig /all and hit the Enter key. And I'm doing this to validate that I have an IPv4 address and it appears to be the correct IP address. Sometimes that's difficult to know. But right now I see IPv4 address 10.10.0.100 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. I do not have a default gateway, but in the real world you should probably check to make sure you have a gateway. That's how you can get to the internet to retrieve web pages and send and receive email. And I also have DNS servers of 10.10.0.2. So my IP address information looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and type in ping, P-I-N-G, and then 127.0.0.1 and hit the Enter key. And now I'm getting replies. I actually get 4 replies. Reply from 127.0.0.1 4 times. What this test does is to verify that your TCP/IP protocol stack is working functionally. So mine is working functionally, and the next thing I'd like to do now is to ping a known IP address. I typically like to ping a default gateway IP address, and since I don't have a default gateway, I'm going to ping the DNS server IP address. I'm going to ping ping 10.10.0.2 and hit the Enter key. And now I'm getting replies from 10.10.0.2 4 times. So I've sent a network communication to a different device on the network and I'm getting replies, so I know that my networking is functioning properly. If this weren't functioning properly, I may want to check my TCP/IP configuration again to make sure it is configured correctly. Or maybe I'm having a physical layer issue and my Wi-Fi is not working or my switch would potentially not be working. It's all working for me now, so now I'm going to test name resolution. So I'm going to ping the name of a computer that is known and on my network. So I'm going to ping RWDC01 and I'm going to press the Enter key, and I'm also getting replies from it, reply from 10.10.0.2. But notice above that it says pinging rwdc01.contoso.com and then the IP address 10.10.0.2. By pinging a name and getting results, you're testing your networking connectivity, but you're also validating that your DNS name resolution servers are also functioning. So all systems are go for me. I would test network connectivity in that order if you are having issues with network settings. And when you find a problem, then you want to isolate that and work specifically on either TCP/IP configuration, physical layer issues such as a Wi-Fi network or a switch, or potentially name server issues in DNS. So this concludes my presentation on how to test a network connection. This is BrickHouseLabs.com, and thanks for watching.